Coming at you live from NP3 Quad. It's Mr. Brinkman.
Hey friends, it's Miss Edwards.
And we're here to talk to you today about your wildly important goals. Do you have any wildly
I
important goals?
do you?
I do.
Oh my gosh, my wildly important goal is that I will run a half marathon by April. And that goal, I have different benchmarks and things like that to meet that. What about you?
My wildly important goal is to read more books. So I would say maybe like 6 books from January to the end of school would be a great one for me.
Oh my gosh, I love books.
Anyway,
That's a good one.
Pirates, what are your wildly important goals? We want to know. Put them in the comments below. Boom. We're with your favorite teacher, Mrs. Carey. Mrs. Carey, do you have a wig?
I do. I have a wig.
What is it?
By the end of the calendar year, I would like to practice 100 hours of self-care.
Wow. That is awesome and powerful. Pirates, again, drop your wig below in the comments.